In front of me is DOOGEE Tab E3 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. Begin by locating an app code files that's already on your device. When you find it, click on it. If you never used it before, select Continue in the pop-up and Allow in the second one. Now hit Downloads under Categories. And as you can see, all of my downloaded files are over here. To access one, click on it. Sorry, misclick. And my favorite part, to manage one, click on those three dots on the right. Then check out all of those options and do whatever you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!